Multiculturality is being happy to embrace our differences and welcome those of others. It's to respect and value what makes each of us who we are, our traditions, our path, our stories. Multiculturality is all about meeting people from the world, forging connections that transcend time and borders. It's our chance to uncover various cultures in one place where guests and teams meet and bond, allowing souls to connect by seizing the opportunity to learn and grow from one another. It's to respect, to consider, to welcome, to unite. It's to be curious about others and to nurture one's thirst for learning. It's to build a world where our differences are celebrated and make our greatest strength. We are multicultural. We are Club Med.